Hey, what's up? So I have a ton of things here from Black Friday. I went Black Friday shopping, and if you guys saw in my last vlog, I said that I couldn't get a lot of things in store because they were sold out, so I ordered online and they came in. I ordered like some other stuff too off of different websites, so I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I picked up. Also want to say I'm not really sure on the pricing on a lot of these things. I just randomly ordered a bunch of stuff online, and I think I showed like the price of the cameras that you're gonna see in a minute on my last vlog, so if you want to check that out. I know they had like Cyber Monday deals too, so some of this stuff is I think from Cyber Monday as well. And the only thing that I'm not going to be showing here because they're actually in my husband's car and I forgot to grab them is my Christmas ornaments. But you guys will see that in my like decorating video that I'm gonna have up soon. So yeah, let me show you what I ended up getting on Black Friday. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys are these pants. I haven't opened them up yet, but I got these from American Eagle, and I think they were like half off the original price. So whatever the original price is, they were half price, and they're just these black denim jeans. I have like a party that I'm going to soon, so I just picked these up, and they're like jegging style. They're tight and they have like the skinny ankle down here. So yeah, I got these black jeans for Black Friday. And if you're curious on the style, let me see if it says the style on here. These are the 360 next level stretch jeans. So if you guys want to try these out, they look really nice. And I always love the American Eagle jeans because the zipper goes all the way down to, you know, the bottom. So yeah, I really like these. I have to try them on and see how they fit, but I always get the same size, either 2 or 4, so I ended up picking these up. I'm gonna show you guys like all the clothing items first. Oh, I also picked up this sweater from Abercrombie. I love the writing on it. It's just black and white, but yeah, this one says Abercrombie and Fitch on it, and this is really cozy. I don't know the style of this one, but I'll try to link it down below. But if you are going to purchase this sweater, make sure you get it a size smaller because it does run a little big. I get an extra small and it's still like a little baggy on me. So yeah, always check like the fitting before you purchase it because some of these run a little big. The next thing I got is also from Abercrombie and Fitch, and it's this coat, and this is so cozy. It has like that teddy bear material, and it's like this puffer jacket. They have this one too without this material. It's just like the regular puffer coat material, and this one I got in a size small so I can layer it and put a ton of like sweaters under it and layers, because where I live right now it's snowing and raining. So yeah, I gotta, you know, keep warm. But yeah, this is what the coat looks like. It's probably kind of hard to see on camera, but like I said, I'll try to put a link down below on this as well so you guys can see what this coat looks like. But it's really cozy and soft, and yeah, I love it. It's so cute. All right, this is the last thing that I ended up getting from Abercrombie and Fitch, and I kind of been wanting this scarf for a little while, but I didn't want to spend 40 bucks on it, so I ended up getting a good deal. This one, I do remember the price. It ended up coming down to 16 bucks, which is really good from 40, and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it up with you guys. Yeah, see, it says here 40, and I ended up paying 16, and this just looks so cozy. I love the pattern on this, and I think I'm gonna wash it first because I always wash my scarves before using them because I don't want to get like lint and stuff all over them. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a really big, nice scarf. This thing is huge. I don't know if you guys can see how big this is, but yeah, this is gonna keep me definitely warm. I think today's gonna snow, so that kind of sucks, but at least I'm prepared and I have like a warm coat and this nice scarf to go with it. Okay, so this item was not, whoops, I dropped one. This item is not a Black Friday sale item. I actually got these at HomeGoods, and these were $24.99. It's Newport Home brands, but it's these really gorgeous velvet, it's like crushed velvet pillows, and they're like this pink shade. I think it looks kind of light on camera, but it's a little bit of a darker pink toned pillows. So it came with 2 of them, and I'm probably gonna put one in my living room because my couch, I have like a leather gray couch and it has little studs, and I feel like this is gonna look so nice with it. So I think I'm gonna put one down there, and the other one I'm gonna put on my bed because I don't know, this color with like gray and silver just looks so pretty. So yeah, I ended up getting 2 for $25. I thought that was like a really good deal. They're really good quality, and yeah, these are really cute. So I have about like 4 or 5 things left to show you guys, and this is all the stuff that I picked up from Verizon that I was mentioning that I couldn't show because everything was out of stock. So the first thing I got from Verizon are these Nest cameras. I ended up getting 2 of them. This is the Nest Cam indoor camera, plug in and go security, and this has 24/7 surveillance, goes directly to your phone, live streaming, person alerts, continuous cloud recording, 2-way audio. So basically you can even talk from here, and I'm gonna be setting one of these up in the living room so I can like talk to my dogs when I'm not home. I know that sounds silly, but yeah, my middle dog Emmy, she's 3 years old right now, and she like doesn't go into a kennel or a playpen or anything anymore. I feel like she's old enough to be on her own now, so she kind of just roams around the house when we're not here. Most of the time she just falls asleep on the couch, but sometimes she does get into stuff. So yeah, these are gonna be very handy. So I ended up getting 2 of these. So this one's also by Nest, and this is the Nest thermostat. This is one of the items that I really wanted because I have a 2-floor home, and sometimes like at night it's really late and it gets either too hot or too cold, and I always have to go downstairs. I know this is like first world problems, but I do like to like have it cooler than hotter. So this is kind of cool because you can actually control the temperature from your phone, whether you're like upstairs. If I'm not home and I feel like it starts to snow and it's kind of cold out, maybe I'll bump up the heat a little bit for my dogs. But yeah, this is really cool, a Nest thermostat. I can't wait to try this out. I think it looks really pretty with like the white little circle, and I think this one, when you go to dial it, it actually lights up and everything. So yeah, so I only have 2 things left, and this one is the Tello, and I actually ended up getting this as a gift for a special little someone. But this is really cool. It has HD video, precise hovering, 5 megapixels of photos, electronic image stabilization, and a bunch of other things. But I think this is going to be really fun and cool to use. But yeah, I ended up getting that as well for a really good deal. So the last thing I'm really excited about. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I think I was the most excited to pick this up because there's so many times last summer that I thought like, man, this would have been so good if I had a GoPro, especially at the time that we went to Niagara Falls. I felt like I really needed a GoPro, and yeah, this is the latest GoPro, the Hero 7 Black. It has this matte black color to it, and it also has like a little display screen on the back. I don't know too much about this one, but it says it has 12 megapixels, 1080p video recording, goes up to 33 feet in water. Let's see, 8x slow-mo, GPS, HDR, hyper smooth, and live streaming. And one thing that I noticed, I saw this one versus the other GoPro, I think it's the GoPro Silver, and this one had a really good video quality and the stabilization was really good, so I wanted to pick this one up. So I can't wait to try this out. I'm probably gonna do a video on it, like unboxing it and trying it out, just showing the video quality and everything. But yeah, this is gonna be like a really fun gadget to play with. So that's everything that I picked up on Black Friday. I'm gonna try to link all this stuff down below for you guys. I know a lot of stuff is probably not gonna be on sale still because it was a Black Friday sale, but a lot of stuff is still on sale for the holidays. And I just wanna say that if you shop online a lot, when you go onto the websites that you like to shop on, just put your email, because sometimes they'll give like exclusive deals like sent to your email and stuff. I am going to be decorating my Christmas tree within the next few days, so I'm probably going to film that. And let me know if you guys want to see some Vlogmas videos or some challenges or maybe some pranks. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed my Black Friday haul. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.